Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling dark mode on Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the screen or tap the down arrow to open the control panel. Then tap dark mode in the top right to turn it on or off. You can enable and disable dark mode when you are reading a book by swiping down from the top of the screen to open the control panel, and then tapping dark mode. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.